Acumatica is an ERP system that is the most modern ERP system on the market today. It's the only ERP that was born in this century. So for all of you, there's a couple of bets that Acumatica made as an organization, which you could read through here. The ones I call your attention to really has to do with, number one, a dedicated channel like us. Acumatica only goes to market through qualified partners like WM Synergy. Again, we have spent 35 years implementing systems for manufacturers, and that's why we went out and selected Acumatica as the solution we wanted to bring to our customer base. And then I also draw your attention to the fact that Acumatica was born in the cloud. And we throw this word cloud around so much in our industry, but what does it mean? It means you have access to this software anywhere you have access to the internet. From a web browser, from a laptop, from a desktop, from a mobile device. We don't care. No remoting in via a VPN. No need for a desktop application. I am working from home in my pink office today. That means I can have the same access to Acumatica that anyone in the back office and our headquarters out in Texas can do. So true cloud, and we are truly disrupting the market. And you'll see that all the manufacturing process functionality that you're going to see today is embedded directly inside this product. Yes, as I said earlier, it is developed by an organization called eWorkplace. I again echo, this organization is completely built this inside of Acumatica, and they have an extensive history in the process manufacturing market, which is why they have also chosen Acumatica as their future platform. So what are some of the functional highlights of this? I talked about some of these things already today, so you should expect them, but the system will allow you to handle all of your formulation and packaging. It'll allow you to handle all of your batch production, as well as the quality, compliance, and traceability. This is huge. And yes, of course, the inventory management, but also mobile task execution if needed. So that's scanning from the shop floor to capture materials and labor, scanning in a warehouse to pick, pack, and ship if needed. When we talk about more modern technology, these are the things that are out there on the horizon. Maybe you're taking advantage of some of them, maybe you're not, but I can guarantee you that your competitors are. This is the high-level design of the system, and Ralph will take you through this in his demo today. But you'll see it all starts with the setup of the routing. What are we going to do to actually create this finished good? The chemical, the paint, the coating. So we define what the steps are using the bill of materials module or the routing. And we also define the formulation or the recipe using the bill of material module. In that way, we take that bill of materials, we create work orders that allow us to create finished goods out of these different ingredients or recipes that are part of that bill.